Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. I want to talk to you about when you buy a house and the sellers offer you a $500 home warranty. Do not overlook that as, whatever, I don't want that. I recommend highly that you accept this home warranty and maybe even continue on paying for that home warranty while you're in the house. I'm going to explain why, because it's about $500 a year. And when you buy a house, who knows what's broken in that house? You got inspectors going in there. When people go into the house, actually after they close, they find things wrong, or something major breaks, like the furnace breaks. These home warranties will cover that, give you a peace of mind. Because when you go into buying a house, you may deplete all your cash, and bam, within 2 months you need a furnace. There's $6,000. That's going to wipe you out and make you really hate your home purchase. You make that claim on that home warranty, and now it's fixed. Now at $50 a month, why not have it for the life of your just loan? Keep paying for it, and when you got something wrong, it's covered. Not a lot of people out there have $6,000 or $10,000 or money to cover all these large expenses. So definitely take the home warranty from the sellers and think about continuing on with those home warranties, because fixing a home could be very outrageous expense and put people behind the 8 ball on their credit cards when they have to put large items on their credit cards. People never pay their credit cards off at 33%. So why not pay $50 a month every month? And if one of your major appliances breaks, it's covered. Now read the fine print, make sure you got a good coverage, make sure they don't ignore the furnace in there, but make sure it's everything, including the furnace. Now it's probably not going to include the roof, it's not going to include driveways, but it will include the washing machines, the furnace, the air conditioning units, some plumbing issues, the sump pump. So keep that in mind. Take the home warranty. It's a great thing to have, and consider paying for it in the future. Give me a call if you have any questions, 630-915-7550. Thanks.